Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to tell you about two coins I'm really bullish on. Those two are VVS Finance and Tectonic. So actually my channel is supposed to be in Russian, but yesterday I did my first video on this channel, and I have the feedback to do this in English, I guess, because of this coin is very new and people are trying to search it in the entire internet and not much information about it so far. So like it is a test video for me, so if you have some feedback, you could give it for me in the comment section. I will be really happy to read your comments, ideas. So the first coin is VVS Finance, and it is something pretty similar with PancakeSwap, Uniswap, SushiSwap, and you see that here pretty much the same interface you have. So the first time I heard about this coin is from the colleagues of mine. I'm working in an IT company, and my colleague IT guy, he's like, I guess he's knowing someone from crypto.com. That's why he was aware of this those two coins earlier than other people. So, and he suggested me to look at this VVS Finance coin. So what I did last month, I get it was about 1 month ago, maybe a little bit more. So I bought this coin and stake it to manual VVS taken, and I put it to TONIC taken. Now the price is pretty low, I guess, if we compare it with a long-term price. It is pretty new project, so it was launched in end of November, so it's about 2 months long, and you could see that it's like a drop in the price, but we could understand why it's happening because of this correction on the market and all this macro stuff's happening. So I guess there is nothing wrong with it. I mean, we could accumulate early coins like long time, and those guys need to develop good solution for us, so it takes time, so there is nothing wrong with it. So, and I bought it, I guess, about, here is the current price, it is like for zeros 2,885, and I bought it around 5 and something, so it's maybe for me 100% less, but I'm not really worried about it. So because I'm like bullish on this coin. So what I'm doing using this platform, I'm using their mines and do staking for TONIC coin. I will talk about it a bit later. So, and I also stake this manual VVS, but yeah, you could see that the amount is pretty small. So, and I just did it for like checking, and now I understand that this is a bad strategy actually, because we could compare it with this auto VVS staking. So it's the same staking and collecting this coin, but here like those percentages will be auto staking, and the percent is much higher than here, but there is no sense for me to like collect it and a stake and put here, because you see that now it's like the amount is pretty small and the transaction fee will be like much more than I earned already. So I just let's say forget about it for now and don't care about it much. So this is also let me remember what I wanted to also share here about this coin. So it is ranking like a bit less than 500, and I guess for the pretty new coin is very good, because it's like 2 months old. It's Cronos blockchain, and I saw some like videos already on YouTube. I was like searching for them. They were thinking, is it scam or not? Like for me, there is no way that it is scam. Not only because I was already told that like from my colleagues that there is someone from crypto.com is working on it, but it also a lot of like other proofs about it. So if you use crypto.com wallet, you could look at uh, applications they share in this app, and one of them is VVS Finance. So like there are some other proofs in their Twitter. So if we look at their Twitter, I guess, let me open it right now. So there will be some also connections with them. They already uh, announced like and listed this coin on crypto.com, so it's pretty good sign. And what's really bullish now, as well as they provide liquidity pools for Luna, and you could stake Zero and Luna. So and you could see those farms and pools here. The percentages, I mean, they're pretty good, but like the time I joined like this coin and saw this farms first time, there was like even more higher. But like honestly, if I compare like those farms and mines, I prefer like mines rather than farms, because when you do farming, I guess you are familiar with it, that you could some potential loss if the price of one coin will go up or down. And if you do like one small coin and another one is stable coin, it's like 100% chance that one of them will go up or down. So I don't do much of those like liquidity pools. And if we compare with mines, it is like the percentages are even higher. So you could see like 130%, even like, okay, it's 85%, but come on, it's still good. And for tonic now it's 188%. The volume, like in the last day, it was higher than usual and previously, and that's why the percentage was growing for now. But anyway, it's pretty good. So, and all of those projects like BeFi Finance or BeFi Finance, I don't know how it's pronounced correctly. It is also could be found on crypto.com like wallet application. So I'm also going to think what is my next taken will be, those BeFi Finance or single coin. It's also good finance coin. I will search for it later and maybe share also some content with you. So this is about VV Finance, and the website is, yeah, it's not shown on my screen. I will put this like link for VS Finance. It is vvs.finance.com. So what I did, I originally put the amount of, I guess it was something $250 to this coin, and now, yeah, it's like pretty much less. But I'm not worrying about it at all, because it's like everything went down this time and there is no issue with it, and like for me, honestly. And I was really interested in this tonic coin, and it was very beginning for it. I guess I'm staking it for 2 weeks or maybe 3 weeks. I do not remember for sure. Maybe like, yes, 3 weeks maybe is more correct time. So, and if we like want to go to Tectonic Finance website, you could see that it is and reads that cross-chain money market for earning passive yield and accessing instant baked loans. So it is actually the app for borrowers and suppliers. You could uh, give some of the coins. It's loading now. You could, yeah, let's wait a second. You could give some coins for others, and then like other people could borrow it, and you will receive some percentages from um, both sides, if you are supplier and if you are the borrower. So you could see here what are the markets for this um, application possible, and the coins you could give the supply on it. So it's like stable coins, it is BTC, ETH, and zero coins for now. And you could see the total supply, and you see that it's already 600 millions for some total supply, and for borrowers like it's 300 million. And I guess for the application, which is like only 1 month old, it's very good numbers. And this is again one more sign that it's valid and good projects and not scam at all. So, and what I did for testing, I put some zero. The amount was very small. Again, it's like $50 for me. So, and for this period of time, what I was able to get, it's about, yeah, now my $50 went to $32. And again, I don't care about it much because it's about all the market situation, and it will be like one day it will be, the market will be up. And for zero, I don't really worry that it will be like downside. It's definitely will go up, so there is nothing like wrong with this coin. So each time, each day, I earn like, I guess, three, like 0.003 zero, and I get some API on this in TONIC. So, and for now I was able to earn like this amount of TONICs for now. And if I check like my amount of TONICs in VVS Finance, so it is about 24 million coins for now. I guess it's like pretty good number for now. It's well only 21 $22, but I'm pretty bullish on this coin, especially because this like big exchange is developing it. So, and actually what's, yeah, the APR is very huge here, but even if we're compare like the amount of I was able to earn, compare amount of stake, I mean those two coins change in price for this period, and TONIC I get pretty much the same amount cost for this coin, and VVS Finance went down a little bit, but for this 2-3 weeks I was able to get 14% of my initial investment of the amount stake. I guess it's like really good, and who knows what's going to be for TONIC in future. So there is one more good sign for this project, is that it was not me who see it originally. I was searching for some information about this coin, and I was like saw it one of the videos. So the proof, like one of the proofs why it's crypto.com, it's not only because it's like on this app, it's also if you check like that this Twitter account they're following, so we could see that they're following VPS Finance, and they're also following like Cronos, definitely, yes, and this Tectonic Finance, they're also following this up, and it means it's pretty good sign, and it's definitely not a scam. So, and also they're not widely announced now that it is their project. There is, if you are trying to go to Tectonic app, you won't see like the team behind this project, and that's why some people think that it's like scam, but it's just because they do not make a lot of marketing for now and just testing the app. And I guess it's not the best time just for making like something big for now, so it is like it's fine. Uh, and if we go to, I don't know what happened actually yesterday, because if you see like all chart for Tectonic, yeah, the original date of this coin when it was published, it's like 1 month ago, and it's pretty new coin with big potential in my opinion. And all this period of time it went down, so like, and we are okay with this for sure. And there was not much volume all this period and time, and now you see that the volume is much bigger like those couple of days, and I don't know actually what's happening, what was the news, and if you know, maybe like crypto.com announced like something on them or listed them, so I'm not sure exactly. If you know, you could, yeah, like comment this video. I'm really like curious what is happening. And if we check the volume, yeah, I guess it's maybe this day it is like went 37% less, but yesterday the trading volume increased by 800 and something percent. So, and it's incredible, it 8x like more than previously. And if you check like the comments, people are really bullish on this coin, and they mostly compare it with like Shiba Inu and like Dogecoin. And I'm not, yeah, the only reason why people comparing it, I guess it's because of the price, and you see like it should be, I guess, 6 zeros before something, yeah, 6 zeros, 8813. That's the only reason, I guess, people comparing it, and everyone expect this to be like 100 x charm, something like that. Yeah, it probably will be, I guess. Like I'm not saying it will be like $1 or something. It could be like, even it will be 1 cent. It's still like incredible growth. But we could see also that supply here is such a big, it's like 500 trillion, something like that. It's a very big supply. But if we understand the nature of the project, and if people worldwide will use it in future, like as usual instruments in their like for borrowing money and like banks, so you could see that it's maybe really like reasonable amount of coins from my opinion. And for now, like you could see as a fully diluted market cap is it only 440 millions, and it is incredibly low, and this have like very huge potential. So, and that's why I guess people should at least start thinking about investing in it, or buying like VVS finance coin and staking as I do. And now like the rank is about 3000. It's pretty much average for new coins which are like coming to the market. So I guess it's fine. And also when I was checking like is it scam or not scam, yeah, it's like I guess it's one of the good reasons people mentioning that this is Cronos blockchain, and for now like there wasn't, it's not a Binance Smart Chain, I mean to compare, so there won't be any bad project in here for now. So I do not think that it's a scam at all. So yeah, and if we check like 1 day chart, it's like pretty good, even for I guess for 7 day chart, like we are see this uptrend. So I see like very good potential for this project. So, and I will continue earning like my Tectonic on VVS finance. I guess it's about, yeah, 20 days more for this staking. So I will, yes, I guess I will be able to collect about 50 million of these coins in those like 20 days we will see. Maybe like it's I will also like think about buying more VVS finance or tonic itself. I do not know for now, but uh, we will see. And also what I'm really like I'm happy about, it's not maybe will be useful for you because it's the past, the time is already past, but maybe for some of you who already earn some VVS, there is airdrop for VVS finance holders, and it is tonic airdrop. So if you have your VVS finance token on your Cronos wallet, or you are staking it in VVS finance application, it could be farms, and here you could see what are those pairs for LP staking, or if you use those mines as I do, you will be part of this airdrop, and it will be on 14th of February, and you will be able to get your tonics in their application. And the amount of tonic they are allocating is very huge for now. It's those millions, billions, trillions. If I'm correct, I don't know. So this is 500 trillions of tonics. It is only 0.01% of the total supply, and people, I see the comments here that people are saying that, oh, it's too slow, too low amount of percentage for the airdrop. But I guess for this big project it's fine, and we will see what amount I get on this day in February. So for now, and the date of the snapshot, I had like 5,250 something VVS, and we will see how much tonic I will be able to get for this VVS. So yeah, it's pretty interesting to see. So and there is also some good like news on the Twitter, so you could also, this is from today actually, that you could earn on crypto.com. I didn't check it for now because there is not much zero for me for now available. I put it on tonic originally, so there is not much I could stake for now, but it's also good sign, and I guess people will be interested in this project. And if we check the amount of users for now, it's only 27k. It's pretty low amount of users. If we check how many users has crypto.com exchange, it is 1,070,700 million. So I guess one day like this Tectonic could have like 700 followers, something like that. So I expect those numbers for them. The project is very good. And also yeah, I saw like some not TikTok, yeah, YouTube. Yeah, I don't check TikTok for crypto. Actually, I don't know if like anyone is doing it. So I check YouTube, and there is not much actually about tectonic so far. I guess that's why one of the reasons why some people reach out to me asking to make my video in English. Yeah, this is it. So I will just try to check if it's good for me to make my like channel in English. Maybe it will be separate one or it will be this one. I don't know. So, and also what else I want to mention here, how you could buy this VVS Finance or Tectonic. So if we are checking for VVS Finance, we could see that we could buy it like on this VVS Finance Swap, or it could be crypto.com exchange. And for Tectonic, it's I guess it's yeah, it's this, I don't know, could you buy it on VVS Finance? It's also crypto.com exchange. So have you, yeah, you could, I'm not sure, are you able to use crypto.com on from the like desktop? I use it on my mobile, so you could just download it or use the link in the description. So I also put it. There is not the main exchange for me. Normally I use Binance exchange. It's like good for me in like different ways. So I maybe, yeah, I'm definitely will do the video about Binance exchange in future, but there is only way to buy VVS Finance, so it's crypto.com or yeah, one more VVS Finance. So and you cannot, maybe do not buy tonic. You could buy VVS Finance and stake it for receive some tonics. So it's definitely up to you. Yeah, and once I have like the snapshot information, I mean airdrop information, yeah, I will also share it with you. So if you have like maybe something like also new coins like this one, or you have also experience with those two um, coins, you could also share your ideas with me, because it's, I also want to learn something new, not only share my experience. So yeah, I will be like looking for your comments, and have a good day. Bye bye, guys.